Parrot. Once upon a time, in the tall tree, there lived a proud parrot, with stunning green wings, and a vibrant red beak. One sunny day, he spotted a crow nearby and couldn't help but notice its plain, black wings. Thinking he was superior, the parrot remarked, "Your wings are so black and ugly." The crow calmly responded, "Yes, they may not be beautiful, but they help me fly with less resistance." Undeterred, the parrot moved closer to boast about his own beauty. As he proudly displayed his green wings, a man appeared with a cage. Swiftly, he captured the gorgeous parrot and left without a trace. The moral of the story is clear. Don't be too proud of what you have.